video, and today this happened. I got in a car crash right now, so
Your child's name since he was inside the vehicle as well. Okay?
I'm gonna that's I just don't know what to say about it, but we got hit bad. Very bad. We got hit pretty bad. And my mom's here. I'm here.
What happened?
And now we're the police is asking my mom questions here. We're just going to, surprisingly, we're just going to go to some place to sort out a speeding ticket, and that car just hit us, and apparently it's what they're saying is that they were drinking while driving, and which it's a law you're not supposed to do, so might end up in prison. So look in the video. Anyway, so it was pretty bad. It's another car over there. We didn't get hit as bad. They got hit pretty bad. But they weren't, according to what I think, they said, according to what they said, I don't think that that's the actual person that hit us. That it's some other person, because they said that they took off right when they hit us. We probably hit the back of that car, or they hit the other side of that car, so we still managed to keep on going. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.